Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Metasploitable. Metasploitable is a vulnerable machine that is used for penetration testing and ethical hacking training, practice exploitation, post-exploitation, and web application security testing. Improve skill in vulnerability assessment, exploitation, and analysis. It includes unpatched software and services, weak password and authentication, misconfiguration setting and permission, the vulnerable network service and daemons, web application vulnerabilities. Use Metasploitable tool to enhance your skill in a legal and ethical manner and never attempt to exploit vulnerabilities in system without permission. So let's download and install Metasploitable. So in our search bar, type Metasploitable, Metasploitable. Then click on the second link. Here you will see a Rapid 7 page. We should download and set up Metasploitable too. So you can go ahead and click on the second URL. Then click download. Metasploitable has started downloading. I already have it downloaded on my machine. So I can go ahead and pause this or cancel this download. I'll go to my download folder. I created a folder VM machines and I paste the zip file here. So I'll go ahead and extract the zip file. Click on extract all. Click extract. It has finished extracting. Double click on the folder. Scroll down, you see metasploitable.vmx. Double click on it. You have automatically configured and import Metasploitable on our VMware workstation. And if you observe, there's two network adapter here. Double click on this. We need to remove one of the adapter, so you can click on remove. We have successfully removed one of the network adapter. Click on network adapter, then click on OK. We now have just one adapter here. So you can power on this virtual machine. Click on I copied it. We have successfully installed Metasploitable. So if you observe, you have the username, default username and password, which is MSF admin for username, then the password MSF admin for password. So let's go ahead and type the username MSF admin. MSF admin. The password. We have successfully gained access to Metasploitable machine. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bye.